Hi, this is Andy Cole with the Elevator Consultants, TEC. We're looking at today in Kentucky at a mod that happened roughly about 8-9 years ago, and just problems they're having right now, and just going over everything. Okay, we're up here in the machine room, and we got duplex cars. They got Torin machines on them, and 4 half-inch cables. These are Torin geared machines. Emergency brake. It's odd how dark it is in here. It's got a flashlight, but when they did the mod, they only put 2 strings of lights in here. They didn't really, I mean, you can see how dark it is. They did not get the foot candles. Now I am looking at what we have here. They also did EC control system. So I get elevator controls, I got 2010 code, I got pixel. We'll take a look at everything, see what we got. 2 units installed in 2018 for a mod. They have Magnetek mini little drives on them, the L1000As. Both of them have them. Everything's original on these. You get 2010 code. They installed a little TGDI 2635 geared machines, but they moved the deflector into the machine room, which is really nice. It's nice to have that feature. We don't have a lot of room in here. There's only about 7.5 feet of room, but they were able to get that in here. So that's really nice. They spin at 250 feet per minute. I got an AC unit up here for temperature control. But just taking a look, only 1 elevator is running, so elevator 2 is down. These machines have a dual brake, so you don't need a rope gripper on them. They get emergency brake on them. So it's a nice little machine. Depends on the duty, you know, that you're looking for. Looking at the 4 half-inch cables, a lot of wear. You can see the lot of cable debris. So really want to look at that. There's a lot of cable debris inside the sheave there. Find out why this elevator's not running. Overall, these cables don't look much better. I have less cable debris. They don't look great. So I'm going to measure these guys too while we're here. Okay. Everything else, it's just not real well kept. It's not real clean. We'll go over, try to figure out what's going on with these elevators.